再来看猫啊，日本即马有一项研究，发现猫其实是真巧，而且比咱想的也搁较巧。研究发现讲，猫啊学字词，听有人在讲啥的这程度是比大这外的囡仔也搁较厉害。
电脑顶头正伫咧放一个图像，互囡仔还是多上记忆。另外这边也有一只猫趴伫咧电脑头前，看到荧幕顶头图的变化，也敢若伫咧学习。日本神奈川的麻布大学研究团队伫最近做一项实验，互31只天文鸟看电脑顶头展示的各种图像，并且用因的主人的声音录加这个图有关的字，发现大部分的鸟伫咧做过四遍图文连接的试验了，就能配对影像甲声音。不过同款试验14个月大的囡仔就会做16遍到20遍。
Those that are very in tune with cat behaviour already know. Like cats are quick learners, they're clever, which means they can pick up good habits as well as bad habits. But it's something we see day to day. It's just nice to see some research on the subject. But clearly, the way that the research is panning out is that they very obviously do learn.
科学家伫最近证明，鸟会当认出家己的名，佮加上这项上新的研究，确定鸟比咱想的更较巧，会当比14个月大幼婴更较紧就甲理记了。对于这项研究结论，爱鸟搁伫伦敦开鸟味咖啡馆的帕辉玲也认同。
I agree cats are probably more intelligent than babies. They know exactly what they want, they know when they want it, they've all got ways of asking for what they want, and they've got their favourite people, they know how to manipulate us sometimes in very cute ways.
这项研究也搁做过反向测试，互鸟伫咧听惯势正确的语言甲图像组合了，若互鸟听到甲影像无符合的字时阵，因看荧幕的时间会增加1/3。有一款鸟甚至会目睭脸放大，表情正严肃的看到荧幕，表示因会当分辨出无同。实验证明，鸟有认知的能力，有学习人类语言的能力，就算无特别训练，会当听有人伫咧讲话，而且了解意思。公司新闻，但是同编辑。